Hello, and welcome to this tutorial of Tableau. Please watch previous video if you hadn't watched it yet. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's explore it and start playing with it. We currently have a blank sheet. In our data pane, we have our global terrorism data loaded, with its dimensions and measures. Remember, blue fields are categorical, and green fields are continuous. The data type icons you saw on the data source page when loading the data also appear here. Notice Tableau automatically generated new fields for us, shown in italic. Measure names, the number of records, given by global terrorism CSV file, count, and the measure values. For our first task, we would like to know how many people were killed by each group. When we start dragging a field, some places are highlighted in orange. These are all the places we can drop our field on. Let's drag it into rows. Whether we drag it here or here has the same result. Then, we would like to find the number of people killed by each group, so we drag the killed field to the text card, and we get the number of people killed by each group. Notice how by default, Tableau takes the sum of the data. If we click on the down arrow, we can change the measure. We could use the average or the maximum. Sum makes sense in this case, so we keep it that way. We could also drag the killed field to size instead, or color. Tableau automatically adds a legend. We'll stick with text for now. In the toolbar, you have different buttons. This one lets you back to the start page. This one lets you undo your changes, and this one allows you to clear your sheet to make it blank again. Then we can sort by ascending or descending order by clicking these icons. In this case, we will go for ascending order. We can see that there is column named unknown. We can remove that by using filter option. We simply have to drag the field to the filter option, then a window pops up where we have search for unknown and deselect it. Let's apply it. Great. There we have it. Our values have changed. Taliban has killed 45,210 people. That's sad. To remove a field, just drag it out until you see a red cross appearing, and release. Now if you have to know the victim type followed by kill count for each individual group, we can just drag victim type field to rows. There you have it. If we have to see for each individual victim type, we can just drag the victim type field from rows to pages. Then on the right side corner we can use toggle option to go from one type to another. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Your subscription will make my day. Have a great day. See you in the next video.